Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, look, I'm like a bank robber. I'm just relaxing today, so I was like, I'm just braiding my hair and putting a beanie on. But we got a lot of snow overnight, so I'm really excited for that. And so it's awesome to be doing that. But I'm really excited because tonight I'm gonna be doing like a Christmas gift guide for girls. So if any of your guys need help, send this to them and I will give them some great ideas. Or if you're a guy, then here's you some ideas as well. And I'm gonna be doing that. So to you, it will not be that long because I'm gonna be doing that shortly for you guys. So keep watching and it should be great. That is the worst snowplow job ever. I think he's just trying to make a game out of it and it's not going well. It's like how he's trying to go as fast as he can down this tiny little driveway. Nice job, dude. Nice job. Okay, so I just got this for my church leaders and I thought it was so cute. I had to show. So there's a little believe thing and then it has little pines. It is for everyone in our ward, which is like our congregation. It's so cute. Oh, it's adorable. I love that. So, let's see if I can undo this with one hand. Oh, maybe I can just do this. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Just like Reese's. Happen. Whoa, I will not be eating that much, but I had some fun ideas I could do with this. So I feel like it's pretty nice. I'm excited for this. I think I might be more excited for the ornament because I love wooden ornaments. So I think all of it's just adorable. So right now I'm currently editing videos because that's what you do with Vlogmas. But I will show you guys more of the gift ideas in a second. Alrighty, you guys, I'm excited to be getting into these gift ideas for girls. So if that's like your friend, your girlfriend, your wife, you know, whoever it is. Oh, and before I get started into the list, I'm going to try to post links to everything down below, so you can just go and click. They're really quick. There'll be affiliate links from Amazon, but if you want to get any of them, it will just give me like a low percentage if you get them. So just go check those out, the links up below. So I've been making a list of different things. If I can just pull it up. Okay. Number one is leggings. Leggings are comfy, especially in 2020. I feel like everyone wears leggings nowadays, at least I do. So they're comfy leggings, sweats, you know, just like comfy pants. Alright, so number two would be jewelry. You can get earrings or necklaces or bracelets. Just find out what your special someone likes, what do they wear a lot. Just really observe what are they wearing and then you can get that. Number three is like cups. So like me, I love these cups with like straws, but there's like a bunch of other cute ones. Some people like with like slipless, some just want like a straight cup. Like just find out, like maybe just experiment. Maybe they like different ones. You can just get them cups because I feel like everyone needs to be drinking water and liquids and it's great. Alright, number four is kitchen supplies. A look around the kitchen. What are they missing? What's getting old? Stop it. What's getting old and maybe get like spoons, some new pans. You can just be eating any kind of dishes. So I'll do the links of those to make sure you get some ideas. Number five is sweaters, especially the Sherpa ones are very, very popular. I've been wearing one that I love. So I'll make sure to put the link to some of those down below because I've been loving them. As you guys probably seen through my Vlogmas, I've been wearing them a lot more than. Okay. The next one is sandals. Yes, I know it is winter and not summer, but I also am thinking right now, I'm like, what can I get ahead of time so I'll be ready then? And one of the things is sandals. So I'll put some cute ones that will be into style then. But also along those lines, you can always get some boots if you're wanting to get something they can use right now. So some cute boots would be great. And there's a lot of adorable ones too. So I'll send you those links. another one. If you're special, someone likes plants, it's a great thing, especially if they cannot have any kind of animal. But plants are a great thing. I have a lot of plants and I love them. I'm such a plant mom. I really enjoy plants. Another one would be bath bombs. Bath bombs are the bomb. Yeah, bath bombs are amazing. Just like sit back and relax, especially like after the person has been exhausted all day, to just lay down in a nice bath and just relax. Yeah. Also, to help relax, or like pamper, not really relax, but lotions. You can always get some lotions because they're nice and they're comfy and they smell good. So, you know, get some special lotions. Woo-hoo. Okay, another great thing is backpacks. So I'll actually post my favorite one down below. I did a giveaway for it too. Is the back, the zipper part is touching your back, so it's like still proof. People really can't steal anything from you. Or it's like theft proof is what it's called. So it's great. I really enjoy it. So you get that, or purses, or different things. Another one would be a jewelry holder. So you can always get like cute jewelry holders. There's a bunch of variety of them. It's for like necklaces, or for earrings, or bracelets, or whatever. So that's always a fun idea if you're a special someone who wears a lot of jewelry. Another one that I love is a robe. My favorite actually from Bali, but I'll try to find some similar ones too. But you can always go check out the Bali robes because I love them. Bonnie and Ellie and Bonnie, what's their combination? I don't know, but they're so cute, and like Jared and Joel are like so cute with them, so you can always check out theirs as well. Another one, as we're talking about comfy, is slippers. Get some nice comfy slippers would be great. So yeah. Ah! I just sat on the ornament. The poor ornament. Alright, so I hope you guys like this holiday gift suggestion thing. I'm actually now, I have to hurry and go and pick up Sarah from the airport. She's been out of town for the weekend, so I need to go pick her up. Hopefully it's been snowing bad, so I'm praying that I can get out there safely. Okay. This will stay. Nope. Oh, there we go. That works. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm up here at the airport, and her flight ended up being delayed like over 30 minutes. So that's great. That's great. But I did bring my laptop, so I'm going to start editing. So that will be nice. I can get that done. But I got here early, so I have to wait like a whole hour. Because I was afraid there's supposed to be snow tonight. And I was like, I'd rather get up here and give myself extra time. But then the roads were fine and there wasn't actual snow yet. I'm sure there will be. And so I'm just up here super early right now. It's great. But I'm going to just edit. Actually, I just filled up my car with windshield wiper fluid because I bought it a few weeks ago. And never put it in, and when it's snowing you kind of need that, and I realized I don't have any in my car, and that's not good, so I got that fixed. And I'm just gonna sit here and edit, and I have treats still left over from delivering them, so that's great. I have a lot too many candies I'm gonna be eating. So, but yeah, gonna do this and wait for Sarah, and it should be great. Hey everybody, I realized I did not finish the vlog last night, so I'm gonna end it now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, had a lot of fun following along. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, another day of Vlogmas. Bye!